Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter for this 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander. Now this is the specific part number for STP's model cabin air filter. And I'll go ahead and put a link to this down in the video description below where you can pick this off Amazon. And I'm an Amazon affiliate, so I get a cut of that. Appreciate it. Anyways, what you're going to do first is you're going to go ahead and try to remove this piece right here. And really all you have to do is just squeeze this down and push out. There you go. And so that just pops out of there. And then the next thing you do is you're going to push in from both sides here. You're going to push in and pull down. All right, and then this whole guy comes right out. All right, and then next we're going to have to remove this piece up here. And all you're going to have to do is simply depress down on these two pieces right here. Let me show you. This guy right here, you're going to push down on these and then pull out towards you. And then this gets you access to the air filter right here. So we're going to go ahead and pull this guy out. And ooh, yeah, that looks nice and dirty. So we're going to go ahead and pop this out of here. And it's just simply squeezing it, pulling it out. All right. So we're going to make sure that the airflow is going up towards us. And so, there we go. And then I went ahead and wrote the date that I replaced it and the mileage. And so we know the airflow is coming towards us. And so that's going to slip in right here like this. And if you're curious about which way it's supposed to flow, there is the airflow up reading right there, and that airflow up is going to go up and out. So then we're going to put this back in, and so here we got this, and we just slide it back into the tray. All right, this is perfectly in there. Make sure the up is up, so we're good to go there. And then now we put this guy back in. So when we put this back in, simply you're going to push in and lock it down over it and then replace everything back to where it came from. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and put them down in the comments section below, and always hit like, subscribe.